The title of this lecture is The Power Method. People generally understand that those who can exercise power are considered leaders. This is because those who have power are able to use it to get others to follow. If they did not have this power, then they would be unable to get others to follow. For leadership to work, one must be able to get others to follow, and this can be done with some form of power. Consider an example where a manager wishes to get his employees to attend a series of courses lasting 1 week long in another city. The manager may strongly believe in these courses. The manager may see all of the potential benefits of the newly trained employees could bring to the company. However, the employees may not see things the same way. The employees may not realize the full benefits and may even see the proposal as a nuisance and more work. If these courses happen to not be an organizational requirement, then the manager will have a problem. However, the problem only exists if the manager doesn't have some sort of power over the employees. The manager will likely need to use his or her power to convince and push the employees towards attending these courses. There are several types of power, which I've discussed before, which can be used. First, as part of reward power, the employees are more likely to go to the courses if some sort of reward is to be offered. Second, as part of informational power, the employees are more likely to go if they will get some important information or knowledge relevant to their work. Third, as part of legitimate power, the manager can simply pressure the employees with his or her position, which the employees will recognize and most likely listen to. Fourth, as part of coercive power, the employees are likely to go if they fear that they will be punished for not going. Fifth, as part of expert power, if the employees see the manager as an expert, then they will likely follow the advice. And sixth, as part of referent power, the employees are likely to go if they have respect for the manager. There are many influencers or forms of power which can influence whether or not the employees go on to an optional learning endeavor. The manager's role is to figure out which form or combination of forms of power he or she should use that will be most effective in leading the subordinates. One thing to watch out for is that the use of power is dependent on the person who is the target of control. For example, informational power and expert power are fairly passive forms of power which can easily be used on most people regardless of status. However, other more active forms of power may be limited to subordinates only.